Alright, good evening folks, it's Enforcer Matt, and welcome back to another short war video, and today we have very big news coming out of India and Pakistan. Right now we're getting word that Pakistan's launched another large-scale missile and drone attack on India, specifically targeting the Kashmir region, and right now we're getting eyewitness reports from the ground near Jammu, which is an Indian area, apparently with an Indian airport being targeted by these drones and missiles, and major explosions being reported in the area by eyewitnesses. So a very large attack and another major escalation between these two countries. We've also seen last night that the Indians targeted the city of Lahore in Pakistan, and we have more picture and video evidence today to show the extent of that attack and exactly what was targeted. But nonetheless, this is really popping off severely today, and Pakistan appears to be going all in, and right now we have all that news and video evidence to cover. So let's jump into our first post, which goes to Ahmad Hassan Bobak. And to start our news off, we did see last night, toward the end of our stream last night, that there was an Indian attack on the city of Lahore in Pakistan, and we did see a very large plume of smoke rising from the city of Lahore, and we really weren't sure as to the exact details last night because the information was very murky last night. But today we do have some more information about where this was and what this was all about when the Indians attacked in the city of Lahore. So let's take a look at our small video and see this large plume of smoke rising from the city that we saw last night. And there you can see it. There is the plume of smoke right there in the city of Lahore in the distance. As you can see right there, they're all looking at it from the street, and that was near, allegedly, the Naval College in the city of Lahore that we're looking at right there. So a very large plume of smoke, and that was allegedly hit by an Indian drone that was sent across the border and struck inside of Pakistan. So we did see that late last night, and that was our first video that we saw near Walton Road in the city of Lahore. But moving on to our next post here, this one goes to the Pakistani Army. And we also got some footage from on the ground near the Naval College showing the plume of smoke more close up, and this proves that apparently it was striking the area of the Naval College, which is Askari FAW, and we do see that here in the second video. So let's take a look at this one as well and see what we can spot. And there you can see it. There is the grounds of the Naval College in the city of Lahore in Pakistan, and right over there in the distance you can actually see there is the plume of smoke rising, and it's very cloudy and foggy right now in the city of Lahore, so you can barely see it from this angle, but there it was right there in the distance, and they appear to be recording from the grounds of the Naval College. So very interesting to see that, by the way. And once again, this is near Walton Road in Lahore according to reports, and we are seeing that right here on the camera. So it looks like there was an Indian provocation last night, and we do have more confirmation of that today. But with that, we're now moving on to our next post here, and this is actually going to be a Google map showing you the location of the city of Lahore in Pakistan in case you're unfamiliar. So right here on the map you can see there's the city of Lahore. It's very close to the Indian border, by the way. It's literally right on the border with India, and right across the border in India you'll see there is the Punjab region. Also to the north of Lahore there is the Jammu and Kashmir region, which is contested between the two countries. And also if I zoom out just a little bit, you'll see there is Islamabad right there to the northwest, and that is the capital of Pakistan. So Lahore is sort of centrally located and right there near the area of fighting, and it appears to be a favorite target of the Indian military as of right now. So that city is a hotbed, and that is the location of it, just to give you an idea of where this is happening. But jumping into our next post here, this one's going to go to conflict radar. And also speaking of the city of Lahore, we're currently seeing that Pakistani Air Force jets are hovering above the city of Lahore, including F-16s and JF-17s, and we do have this on video. Now this appears to be after the strikes took place on the Naval College. They did send up the JF-17s and F-16s to guard the sky, but this was apparently not in place during the attack on the Naval College, but that has changed since then. So let's take a look at the video and show you these Pakistani Air Force fighters flying over the city. And there you have it. There goes a JF-17 or an F-16 flying right over the city of Lahore in Pakistan and guarding the skies from Indian attacks. And it appears to be pretty much a standard patrol. That's nothing really new right there, but once again, it is notable they've sent up all their jets to protect their skies, and that tells you that there were ongoing attacks by the Indians in this area, because now we're seeing the F-16s flying over quite regularly to patrol the airspace. So quite interesting to see. But moving on to our next post here, this one's going to go to the Pakistan Observer. And we also got some video here showing the active Pakistani air defense over the city of Lahore as well. We actually got video from the ground showing the air defense locations, which once again, that's a major OPSEC violation, but somebody felt the need to record it, and now we can show it to you right here on the video, and we actually see that the air defense was engaging targets literally as the video is being recorded. So let's take a look at this one as well. This is actually pretty remarkable footage, and let's take a peek. and there is the air defense in Pakistan firing at the targets. So far, we really can't see the target in the sky, but it is hitting something, and actually there appeared to be an impact maybe right over there. That might have been debris falling down from a drone sort of over to the right. I can't really tell, but it looked like it just on the first glance, but that is crazy to see. Once again, the air defense in action, and also, once again, major OPSEC violation, because there's literally the location of that air defense right here on camera. So crazy to see, but once again, more footage out of the city of Lahore inside of Pakistan. But jumping into our next post here, this one's going to go to the Mossad commentary. But unfortunately for Pakistan, they didn't shoot down every single drone that came in from India, because of course we did see the strike on the Pakistani Naval College, and now we also have a separate video showing another direct strike allegedly from the Indian side right in the city of Lahore. So let's take a look at this one and see the major impact. And as you can see, that drone came straight down. It sounded like a really angry hornet. It came straight down and struck its target, and that was quite a hell of a hit. If you look at it right there, that was a major explosion, and that was apparently, according to the reports, and this is unconfirmed, so take it with a grain of salt, this was allegedly an Israeli-made drone of some sort, or at least had Israeli components in it, but take that with a grain of salt. That's according to the reports we're seeing right now, but that was a hell of a hit that we just saw right there on the camera near Pakistan. So once again, very remarkable to see. But moving into our next post here, this one is going to go to FiTux News. We're also getting word as well that the U.S. consulate in the city of Lahore in Pakistan has ordered all personnel to shelter in place due to reports of drone explosions, down drones, and possible airspace incursions. And initial reports also suggest authorities may be evacuating areas near Lahore's main airport. So we do see right here, there was a security alert from the consulate. They told people to take shelter, and that is more confirmation and a backup piece of evidence telling us that Lahore was under major Indian attack last night and also into the morning hours as well. So pretty big attack by the Indians on Lahore. But jumping into our next post here, this one goes to the FiTux network. And we're also getting some claims from the Pakistani military of exactly how many drones were shot down by their air defense. And so far, Pakistan's claiming that their air defense system shot down a dozen Indian drones overnight as one attacked a military target near the eastern city of Lahore, causing damage and also wounding soldiers, according to officials. So that's also a notable piece of evidence right there as well, that apparently soldiers were wounded in that attack. And of course, right now there is a casualty count between the two countries, and each side is taking casualties in this ongoing conflict. So it is very severe with each side taking those civilian and military casualties, and this is not a good sign for peace or de-escalation whatsoever when it comes to this situation between India and Pakistan. But jumping into our next post here, this one's going to go to Apex News. And we're also getting a statement from the Pakistan Defense Minister directly about the drone incursions, which we just saw on camera a moment ago. And the Pakistan Defense Minister is saying that this drone incursion by India makes a retaliatory attack on India increasingly certain, and he also states there's hardly any space left to de-escalate and the conflict is heading down a blind alley, and that was reported by The Guardian. So right now we're seeing that neither side is really going to de-escalate the situation whatsoever, and it's turning much bigger than a tit-for-tat situation. It's turning into a full-blown retaliatory attack. When one side does something, the other one does it back in a much bigger way. So it's really out of control right now and really chaotic and really hard to keep up with, actually. So right now we're hearing that from Pakistan's defense minister. So jumping to our next post here, this one is going to go to Inside Geopolitics. And shortly after the Pakistani defense minister made the statement of a likely attack on India by Pakistan in retaliation for the drone attack on Lahore, we have now heard officially that Pakistani drones are attacking India, specifically around the area of Jammu in the Kashmir region, and the military of India are engaging these targets, and blackouts are being reported in the area, and this is a developing story. It's literally happening as the video is being recorded right now. So a very large-scale missile and drone attack being carried out by Pakistan in retaliation for an Indian attack on the city of Lahore. So a big one happening at the moment. But let's jump into our next post here, which is actually another Google map showing us the location of Jammu to give you an idea of where Pakistan is attacking. And right here on the map, you can actually see there is the location of Jammu and the little red dot right in the middle, and I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly where that is. And of course, this is in the contested Jammu and Kashmir regions, and Jammu is an Indian administered city right here on the border of Pakistan. So you can see that right there, and zooming in a little bit more, there is the city right here. So that gives you an idea of exactly where this is, and it is north of the city of Lahore, which is in Pakistan. So jumping into our next post here, this one goes to World Source News 24/7. And right now we are getting video evidence right now showing multiple blasts and sirens continue to be heard in the city of Jammu, which is in the Kashmir region, and right now we are seeing on camera that there are engagements right now over that city. So let's take a look at this video and see what is happening over Jammu. So as you can see, this is the airspace above the city of Jammu, which is Indian controlled, and there appears to be a lot of munitions flying through the skies of the city, and on camera we can occasionally hear an engagement and an explosion of some of these munitions that we're seeing flying across the sky. So that is interesting to see. And also, fast forwarding through the video a little bit, there are some more engagements happening right there in the distance. This appears to be filmed from maybe somebody's home in the city of Jammu, and you can see that right there in the distance, a ton of munitions flying over. And also, fast forwarding some more, we can see in another part of the video, there is some more flying across the sky. As we can see, that is either air defense or that is the Pakistani attacks ongoing. One or the other. Nonetheless, we are seeing there are engagements over the skies of this Indian city, which is quite interesting to see, and also once again proving that Pakistan was attacking on this area. So very big to see. But jumping into our next post here, this one is going to go to the Pakistan Observer. And in this post right here, we also get some more footage showing the reported interceptions over the Indian occupied Kashmir, and I presume this is also near the city of Jammu, which is Indian controlled. So let's take a look at this video as well and see what we can spot. So as you can see right here, there appears to be more engagements above the skies of this Indian area of Kashmir, presumably near Jammu, and there goes more munitions flying across the sky. So a chaotic scene overall, and also good camera work by this guy as well. He tracked that very well, but this is chaotic. Like, it's just crazy right now what's going on between these two countries, and with them launching attacks on one another like this, there's bound to be more casualties. So once again, we're seeing another video proving that there are attacks happening over the Kashmir area. But jumping into our next post here, this one's going to go to Doge Intel. And we're also hearing more about the Indian air defense response to this Pakistani attack on their territory, and right now CNN News 18 is claiming that S-400 air defense systems were activated and intercepted multiple Pakistani drones and missiles and targeted areas where Jammu, Udhampur, Akhnur, and also Pathankot. So there appears to be multiple different cities that were attacked in this major drone attack by Pakistan, and it is widespread. And also, like I did report, we're seeing major blackouts across the Punjab region and also other areas of India as well, presumably to try to protect the cities from these drone attacks. So a major scale response by India and Pakistan when it comes to this major situation unfolding right now, and we are seeing that right here. But jumping into our next post, this one's going to go to Max24. And just to show you how large of an attack this was by Pakistan on Jammu, we do have even more video evidence showing the ongoing attack on the city. So let's take a look at this other angle. I think a fella here actually tells us this is air defense of the Indian side that he is filming on camera. So let's take a look at this next piece of footage.
Air defense system.
So you actually hear the guy say air defense system right there in the video. So this is the shoot downs by the Indian side of these Pakistani drones coming in. And as you can see right here on camera, there were multiple streaks across the sky, and this guy appears to be filming from the rooftop of a building or a balcony of some sort. So this is right here in the middle of the city, and as you can see, there goes the lights across the sky, and those are intercepting the Pakistani drones. So very interesting to see once more and more footage of that. But jumping into our next post here, this one goes to Fitux News. And like I mentioned earlier, not only is the city of Jammu itself under attack, but also specifically the airport in Jammu, which is of course a very strategic target for Pakistan to hit, is also apparently having explosions reported near the airport according to eyewitnesses. And we see in the report from BBC that an eyewitness on the Gujar Bridge in Jammu City tells the BBC that he counted 16 objects falling close to the Jammu airport, and meanwhile a security source tells AFP News that there may have been explosions at the airport itself, and the eyewitness told the BBC that markets shut and they saw people running as sirens blared and the power shut down across the city. So a chaotic scene at the Jammu airport, and right now we don't have video and picture evidence from the airport itself, but if it was struck, that would be a major loss for the Indians in that city. So that is quite severe if that is proven true, but once again, we're waiting for more information to tell us what exactly was hit. But also, while Pakistan was attacking India, we also got some very disturbing word out of Pakistan once more, and this next post here goes to Inside Geopolitics, and we're learning that an emergency was declared in Pakistan's capital of Islamabad while this attack was ongoing, and we're really not sure why. But we also heard that trading on Pakistan's stock market has been suspended indefinitely, and airports across Pakistan have been closed, the airspace is totally cleared out, the hospitals are on high alert, and medical staff leave has been canceled. So it looks like Pakistan is declaring a full-on emergency in their country as this retaliatory attack by their military is taking place on the Jammu area that's Indian controlled. So like I said, pure chaos, and the escalations are out of control. But jumping into our next post, this one goes to the Fitux Network. And we might be getting an idea in this post right here of why an emergency has been declared in Islamabad. And right now we don't have confirmed reports of an attack on Islamabad, but we have heard the sirens going off, the air defense sirens in the capital of Pakistan, which is Islamabad. Right now it's not clear if this was a test of the air defense system or the siren system, but we are hearing the sirens going off. So take this for what you will. There's no proof right now of an attack on Islamabad, but there could be. It's just sort of unconfirmed right now, but we do have the video showing the sirens going off. So let's take a look at that. And right there you can hear there are the air defense sirens going off in the capital of Islamabad inside of Pakistan, and you can hear them in the background. This is the skies of Islamabad that we're looking at right here, and they appear to be clear, and we don't really see any interceptions, so I would lean toward the idea that this is probably just a test of the siren system. And of course, those sirens do not sound anything like southern tornado sirens. The southern tornado sirens are much more menacing than the sirens going off here in Islamabad. So there you go. It's on camera, and that is the way their sirens sound in that city. But nonetheless, folks, that is actually our last piece of news of the video. So before you go, folks, smack the like button and also subscribe to the channel as well if you already haven't for more daily war updates just like this one. And also, the news is popping off like crazy between India and Pakistan. And truly, in my opinion, it looks like this war is reaching a point of no return, and it looks like it's only going to get worse from here based on what we're currently seeing right now. Neither side is de-escalating, and neither side is really talking any common sense right now. So they're really going out of control, and it looks like it's heading toward a full-scale war between the two countries. But a lot of news to cover, and also be sure to join us tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern on our nightly war news stream to cover the rest of the news. And also, if there is something that happens between now and the stream, we might run an emergency stream to cover it, but right now that is not a certainty. So stay tuned to our channel for updates and also our Twitter page, and we'll keep you up to date. But for now, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.